Hi everyone, welcome to our mathematics class. First of all, take your textbook, Rise and Shine, Semester 1. See the page numbers 78 to 81. Today, we are going to study before numbers, between numbers and after numbers, and comparison of numbers, and increasing order, then decreasing order. Our first section is before, between and after numbers. See the numbers. There are three numbers 46, 47 and 48. Before means which comes in front of. If we want to find before number, we want to count backwards. See first question. Which number comes before 47? Just count with me. Let's start the backward counting. 48, 47, 46. The number 46 comes before 47. Next question is 46 dash 48. Here we want to write the number that comes between 46 and 48. Between means which comes in the middle of the two numbers is known as between number. Which number comes in between the numbers 46 and 48? The number 47 comes in between the 46 and 48. Then see the third question. Here we want to find after number. After number means next number. Which number comes after 46? If we want to find after number, we want to count forwards. Let's try. Start forward counting. 46, 47. Then listen, the number 47 comes after 46. Always remember, after number is bigger than the given number and before number is smaller than the given number. Some examples given for you. Let's try to fill some before, after and between numbers. Write the number which comes just before. Which number comes before number 5? The number 4 comes before number 5. Which number comes before 56? The number 5555 comes before 56. Which number comes before 64? The number 63 comes before the number 64. Which number comes before 92? The number 9191 comes before. Write the number which comes between. Which number comes in between the numbers 3 and 5? The number 4 comes in between the numbers 3 and 5. Which number comes in between the 59 and 61? The number 60 comes in between the numbers 59 and 61. Which number comes in between the 43 and 45? The number 44 comes in between the numbers 43 and 45. The next one is which number comes in between the numbers 71 and 73? The number 72 comes in between the numbers 71 and 70. Write the number which comes just after. Which number comes after number 8? The number 9 comes after number 8. Which number comes after 24? The number 25 comes after the number 24. Next one is 56. Which number comes after the number 56? The number 57 comes after 56. Next is 14. Which number comes after 14? The number 1, 5, 15 comes after the number 14. Comparison of numbers. Comparison is the act of finding out the differences and similarities between two or more people, things, or numbers, etc. Here, we are going to compare two numbers, which is bigger or which is smaller number. All of you count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 Santa Clauses. Then see the next box. 1, 2, 3. There are only 3 Santa Claus. Here, which is bigger number and which is smaller number? 5 is bigger than 3. Or we can say 3 is smaller than 5. There are 2 Xmas trees in the first box. Second box contains 7 Xmas trees. Which number is bigger from these two numbers? 2 or 7? 7 is bigger than 2. Or we can say 2 is smaller than 7. Take the bigger number and cross the smaller number. See the first box, there are 6 stars. See the second box, there are only 3 stars. Which is bigger number and which is smaller number? 6 is bigger number and 3 is smaller number. Then arrange the smaller number. We can see there are 3 questions. First question is 4 and 7. Which is the smaller number? 4 is smallest number. The next one is 25 and 14. Here 14 is smaller number. The next is 36 and 82. Here 36 is the smallest or smaller number. The next is arrange the bigger number. First question is 36 and 70. Here 36 is bigger number. Next is 58 and 43. Here which number is bigger? That is 58 is bigger number. The next is 60 and 82. Here 82 is bigger number. Next is increasing order. Increasing order means arranging things or numbers from small to big. See the picture. Here we arranged these matchsticks in increasing order. Increasing order means small to big. Say we have 4 numbers, 5, 2, 9 and 3. Let us try to arrange these numbers in increasing order. How we can write this one in increasing order? First of all, we want to write small number. Okay, which is the small number from these numbers? Number 2 is the smallest number. So, number 2 we want to write in the first box. Then second smallest number is 3. Then third smallest number is 5. The last we want to write big number, number 9. That is 9. Now we arrange these numbers in increasing order. Increasing order means small to big. 2, 3, 5 and 9. Write the numbers in increasing order. Increasing order means small to big. See, first question is we want to arrange numbers from 2 to 7 in increasing order. How we can Alright, see, first of all we want to write that smallest first number, smallest number. So we want to write 2, then 3, next we want to write 4, then next 5, then 6, last we want to write the biggest number 7. Next question is, we want to arrange numbers from 53 to 58. Okay, we want to write these numbers in increasing order. Okay, say first we want to write number 53, then 54, 55, 56, 57 and 58. The next question is, we have 5 numbers. Okay, 7, 4, 6, 3, 1. Here which is smallest number? Number 1. So that one we want to write first. Number 1. Then second smallest number is 3. The next number is 4. The next is 6. The last number 7. Next topic is decreasing order. It is just opposite of increasing order. In this order, we are going to arrange numbers from big to small. See the picture? We arrange these matchsticks in this decreasing order. Say we have 4 numbers, 4, 8, 2 and 6. We want to arrange these numbers in decreasing order. How we can arrange this one? First of all, we want to write big number in the first box. Which is the biggest number from these numbers? Number 8 is the biggest number. Then second biggest number is 6. Then third biggest number is 4. Then last we want to write small number. No, smallest. That is number 2. Okay. Now we arrange these numbers in decreasing order. 8, 6, 4 and 2. Write the numbers in decreasing order. Decreasing order means big to small. See the question. Here we want to arrange these numbers in decreasing order. In decreasing order, first we want to write big number. The next we want to write second biggest number. Then third biggest number. Thus we want to move forward. Okay. First question. Numbers from 9 to 4. We want write in decreasing order or arrange in decreasing order. So here for biggest number is 9. So we want to write number 9 in the first box. Then second number, biggest number is 8. Then next biggest number means the third biggest number is 7. Then number 6. Then number 5. Then number 4. Now we arrange numbers from 9 to 4 in decreasing order. Then second one is numbers from 67 to 62. Okay. Then first we want to write biggest numbers, that is 67. We want to write in the first box. The next second biggest number is 66. Then 65. Then 64. Then 63. Then last is 62. The next question number is 3. Here we have 5 numbers, number 9, 1, 6, 4 and 3. Okay, let's try to arrange these numbers in decreasing order. First we want to find biggest number from these numbers. Okay, then that is number 9. Okay, number 9 is the biggest number from these numbers. So first we want to write that number 9 in the first box. The next second biggest number is 6. The next is 4. Next is 3. The last we want to write smallest number 1. Here is your homework. Please try to write in your maths notebook. Tomorrow you will get answers of these homework. Thank you.